If you're getting the Vanguard error when trying to launch Valorant on Windows 11, first, check Secure Boot. Search for system information in the taskbar, open it, and look for Secure Boot state. It should say on. If it says off, you'll need to enable it in your BIOS. Next, check TPM 2.0 by searching for tpm.msc and pressing Enter. Under Status, it should say the TPM is ready for use. If it's not, we'll turn it on in BIOS too. To get into BIOS, go to Settings, Windows Update, Advanced Options, Recovery, then under Advanced Startup click Restart Now. In the Recovery menu, choose Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, UEFI Firmware Settings, Restart. Once you're in BIOS, find Secure Boot, usually under Security, and set it to Enabled. Then locate TPM, it might be called PTD, FTPM, or Security Chip, and turn it on. Save and exit, then restart. Check System Information and tpm.msc again to make sure both are enabled, then try launching Valorant.